In this tutorial, we will see that how you can boost Telegram channel in just few steps. So let's dive right in. I will show you two methods. So for the first method, after opening Telegram, open your channel and click on the name of your channel. It will open this little window. And then you have to click on this pencil icon on the right upper side. You will find here this edit option. If you scroll down, you will find here this statics. You have to open it and then you will be on this boost for channels. So for the method one, if you scroll down, you will find here this link for boosting. You have to click on this copy this link for boosting, and it will show you this link copied to clipboard, and then click back, open your group chat and simply paste it here and send it now. If you click on this link, it will open up this window. Now to simply boost it, if you click on this boost button in blue color, it will help you to boost your channel. If you scroll down, you will find here some of levels that you can easily read. So after clicking on boost, it will show you this premium needed. Only Telegram premium subscribers can boost channels, and if you want to subscribe to Telegram premium, you can simply click yes and subscribe to Telegram Premium to boost your channel. So this was the first method. Let's dive into second method. Close this, click on the name of your channel and click on this pencil on right top side again. Scroll down, open statics here. Then if you scroll down, you'll find here this get boost via gifts. If you open it, it will show you window like this. Now if you want to get more boost for your channel, you can get it by just gifting premium Telegram channels to your subscribers. It will give you these two options to create giveaway or award specific users. Then you can choose quantity of prizes, like how many premium subscriptions to give away and boost to receive. You can select it and scroll down. You'll find here this duration of premium subscriptions. You can change it to 3 months if you want. And then lastly, if you click on this start giveaway, it will show you this payment method. You can simply pay for that and then you will successfully get boost on Telegram. So these were the two methods to get boost on your Telegram channels in just few steps.